Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm going to be having some coffee right after I have dinner. So I went ahead and I set that up on the corner of this table. So let's get to putting this tablescape together, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now there is a guest coming in today, and it's Stephanie from Creatively MsMe. The theme of this collaboration is fall traditions. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now let me go ahead and start putting the table together. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Okay guys, so the candles are lit and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about this table. Let's do something a little bit different, guys. So I think this tablescape turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I have to show you exactly where, what everything is and where I got it. So let's head on over there and do that before we go to the reveal. So this stand right here is absolutely perfect for me to place either my coffee pot or my teapot. And the pot itself is a pear shape. Isn't that beautiful? And these are the two, the creamer and the sugar that came with it. Isn't that beautiful? Now these were thrifted also, but this was part of another set. Again, this is absolutely gorgeous right here. So we're having some coffee right after. So the garland that's running around the table, I have a lot of garlands running around the table, but this one here came from Walmart and this one here came from Dollar Tree. I think you can see the difference. The pumpkins, these two came from the Dollar Tree. The pine cones from outside. I absolutely love these apples. And then this here came from Dollar General. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love it. It goes perfectly with the scene and the atmosphere that I wanted to create, the ambiance. Look at that trumpet vase with the greenery. So this was something I purchased at Dollar Tree. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I did get it in a different color, but this one here just kind of blends in with the table. This was a DIY, and then the candle was a thrifted item. So I think we've created a beautiful fall setting here. Let's go over to the dinnerware. So the napkins were thrifted. The napkin rings came from Party City. The utensils, they came from Aldi. And the dinnerware was thrifted. So these Rooster plates, absolutely beautiful. I love them. And then I love this just as much. Look how beautiful they are. These green leaf plates, that was Goodwill. And then Dollar Tree was carrying the matte finish chargers, and these were from Hobby Lobby, these woven placemats. I absolutely love them. So let's place that back. I think this was a perfect place setting for this particular table. I'm really loving it. And then the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glasses came from the Goodwill. So this is what my table looks like, guys. And I think we're gonna head on over to the reveal. I love this ambiance right here. And of course, we're having coffee right after dinner. I think this is perfect. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen. Always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month.